I am making a bundt cake. I have never made a bundt cake before in my life. And I just thought I'm gonna make me a bundt cake. So that's what I'm doing. So I got my lemon cake mix here. And then I need my lemon pudding mix. I got my vegetable oil. Then it says milk or water. So I guess I'll use water. Then my eggs. Oh great, what's wrong with my sprayer? What did my children do to my sprayer? Okay, they suctioned it to the side. How they did that, I don't know. Okay, white cake mix with lemon flavoring or those lemon packets. You can do either one. The recipe is at livingonadime.com on our website. Okay. I'm going to throw this in the oven and bake it. I got my lemon cake here. I'm gonna loosen it from the sides. I've never made a bundt cake before, but they just look so cool. Okay. Oh, there. Okay. Now, wow. Oh, that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Okay. Oh man, it smells delicious. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, I have some leftover frosting. So I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to make a glaze. Yeah, you can use just a whole regular frosting. So now you're going to pour our glaze all over the top. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious and it smells so good.
Ooh, I feel like I'm at a wedding.
Do we need to redo
I need you to hold your hand over it.
It's a good thing we didn't. Thank you for not smashing the wedding cake in my face at the wedding.
Well, you threatened me within an inch of my life, and I didn't even suggest I was going to do that.
I know. I didn't think you would, but.
Oh, sorry. I guess I always sniff it, don't I?
You do. Jack does too.
Mmm. Oh, that's very yummy.
It's a lemon pound cake.
I better be careful. I might eat all of these desserts. Very yummy.